Dugo? May... Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run. Hi guys! Welcome ulit sa isang panibagong horror video. Ngayon lalaruin natin ang demo version ng La Perlas. Laruin na natin to. Chapter 1. You woke up in a prison knowing only who you are. You are tasked to explore and investigate Barangay Liwayway and uncover the horrors.
June 27th, 2005. There was a place where people are at peace, but now it is abandoned. People say to that place is ruined by creatures. Well, I don't believe it. Today, rumors has begun to arise, but now corporations want that place. It's just an abandoned area, or maybe something is valuable there.
Oh, may police
I am
station.
Angelo, a detective from Manila. I am tasked to investigate that particular area. However, things have taken a turn. It was a nightmare, but I need to push further. It is my duty. Will I survive this old pearl?
Use mouse to move camera. Weird. Oh, so that's me. I look good. But naka third person? Use camera to move. Note. Parang GTA ah.
Pedro, just a quick note to let you know I've finished cleaning up the area. I'm taking a break over at the police station. That company hired us at the last minute. But hey, the pay is good, so no complaints there. I gotta admit, there's something eerie about this place. Every now and then, I swear I hear murmurs coming from the trees nearby. It gives me chills, but I try to brush it off. Oh, and I left the extra exit key at the warden's office. And by the entrance, there is a key for the warden's office, just in case you need it. Just stay safe out there, my friend Juan.
Okay, nasan yung mga susi? Pag tumakbo, pwede ba shift? Pwede tumakbo. This is very weird. Ngayon pa lang ako nakakalaro so far ng horror game na parang ano ba to? Third person? Naka third person. Okay, get the key. Inside the room. So, exit. Door is locked. Hanapin na, andun pala yung susi sa ano. Sa warden door. Okay. Ang ganda ng ating suotan. Naka-leather tayo. Bawal. Ayun. So, nandito yung isang susi para makalabas.
I found you at the entrance of the barangay, unconscious with your car wrecked. I suspect those creatures set up vehicle traps at the entrance. They're getting smarter and more dangerous. Meet me at the garage of the police station where your wrecked car is. We need to figure out our next move and stay one step ahead of these monsters. Stay safe and stay sharp, Pedro.
Si Juan kanina, si Pedro ngayon. Okay. Let's go. Let's go out. Let's go out. Ayaw mo. Ayan. Ano yung nasa likod ko? Yun. Maulan. Ba't naman ang maulan? Police station exit. Grabe naman tong police station na to. Ang daming may pinto, may gate, may pinto ulit. Ang daming ano? Ito may susi ulit. Dito ba yan? The door is locked. I need to find the key. May key na ako, diba? Diba may susi? Yun eh. Ngek. Warehouse room. Warehouse room. Babalik tayo sa loob. Okay. Okay. No worries. Ano ba yun? Okay, pasok. Takbo tayo. Maulan. Para dun yung susi. Get the key for the police station door. Hello? Tao? Okay. Tumahimik. So, pwede ba natin kunin yung ibang bagay dito? Oh, may note. E.
In the rural areas of the Philippines, the prisons are known for their dismal and harsh conditions. The state of these prisons is among the worst, with overcrowding, lack of basic amenities, and inadequate security measures. Interestingly, the typical prison architecture in these rural areas is heavily inspired by American designs. The influence stems from the company's desire to cut costs and streamline construction processes. However, this cost-cutting measure has resulted in prisons that often fail to meet basic standards of comfort and safety for the inmates.
So, where are we going? Back to, makakalalabas na tayo. Okay. Okay, let's run. Investigate the letter. Where is the letter? Yun. Grabe, parang maze yung palabas ng police station. Okay.
Detective Angela, here's the key to the garage. Meet me there as soon as you can. Keep your guard up and stay safe.
Oh. Susi na naman. Susi. Get the key. E. Ay, ayaw niya kunin. Okay, atras. Okay, ulit. Yung garage. Saan ba yan? Dito? Wielded shut. I can't open it. Dito yun. Okay, let's go. Let's go out. Ang dami naman pasikot-sikot nito. Ba't pataas? Tsaka ano yung symbol sa kanan? Sa kanan ng screen. So, nilipat ko yung mukha ko. Naharangan pala yung character ko. Dugo? May... Hello? May tao ba dito? Parang may kinatay dito. How can we investigate the Liwayway Cemetery? Paano tayo magiging safe? Okay, nakalock. Paano tayo magiging safe dito? Cemetery ba to? Ay, kailangan natin lumabas, bro. Wait, ano to? Need to find the key. Okay. So, something happened here. Para namang may multong nag-amok dito. So, punta na tayo dun. Saan ba yung pupunta? Saan ba yung daanan? Dito? Saan ba yun? Ayun, dun. Dun tayo sa garahe. Saan ba? Dito? Police. Okay, dito. Open ba to?
One's in danger, and things are getting chaotic. I couldn't wait any longer, but I left some guns and ammo for you to defend yourself. The key is also beside where the guns and ammo place at. Stay sharp and stay safe out there. You can take the route to Wayway Cemetery to go to Iva Village.
Oh, saan yan? Saan nakukuha yung mga barel at ito yung sasakyan ko. Okay, I see. Gun. Let's get the gun. Ammo. Kuha tayo ng bala. Okay, that's good. Maraming bala. Nice. Okay. Susi. So, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin siguro to, no? Paano ilabas yung gun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayaw. Ayun. Paano? Right click. Okay. Right click. Tapos babarel. So, paano tayo lalabas? Wait. Last. For the last one. Bawal. Hello? May note dito, may note. The design of the police station. Pwede na ba dito lumabas? Okay, nasa labas na tayo. Oh, oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Kala ko anino ng ano yun. Anino ba? Ano yan? Gagi. Eh, may mumu, may halimaw. Ano ka ba? Aswang ka ba? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hoy, ilabas mo yung baril mo. Uy! Ayaw na mabas yung baril. Gago. Let's go back. Let's go back. Ba't tayo na mabas yung baril? Parang gago eh. Sarama yan. Sarama yan. Uy, ayaw. Ayaw naman niya ilabas yung baril. Parang gago. Hi. Hindi, yung baril, yung baril. Siya. Respawn. Ayan na, may monster. So, Q. Oh. Reload. Okay. Kailangan natin magtipid. 88 na lang. Bakit? Ayun pa oh. Find the exit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. Parang maze. Okay. 2 down. Ito ba yun? Exit. Nice. Okay. Nasaan na ba yung pinupuntahan natin? Tama ba itong pinupuntahan natin? Need to find the key. Okay. So, hindi pa rin tayo agad break. Hindi pa rin tayo agad makakalabas. Kailangan natin na susi. Okay. Okay, may susi na ako ah. Kailangan natin mag-imbestiga sa mga sulok-sulok. Okay naman. Kailangan natin humaghanap. Ayun pala. May note. DIY Cemetery inspired by the haunting design of North Manila Cemetery. Go. Let's go. Saan kaya? Dito? Huy! 1 2 2 3 4 Reload, reload. At 6, 7. Buhay pa, buhay pa. Ah. Ay, common. Meron pa dito. Yes, meron pa dito. Definitely. Dalawa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hindi ba ito yung labas? Okay, marami pa tayong bala. Ang dami naman! Dami namang ano dito. Talaga ba? Sa village, bahay na ba to? Sa Batasan? Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run, run, run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito ba yun? Or doon? Wala na dito. Kaya pala ang dami nating bala. Kasi maraming kalaban. Hello? Hello? Tao? Tao? Hi? Hello? Yun. Bala, 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 bala. Noise, 12. 12 ulit. Pwede ba ditong tumalon? Bawal. Puntahan natin. May iye. Ha? Hindi, kailangan natin pumunta doon. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito. Anong meron dito? Okay, goods. Paano tayo makakapunta doon sa kabila? Doon sa kabila. Doon sa may note. Bawal ba? Wala naman dito daanan eh. You know? E. Ha? Pwede naman pala. Okay, wait. Basta tayo. The Bukid inspiration comes from rice fields in Bicol networks. So, para siyang... Oh, yun. So, para tayo naglilibot, no? Paalala, hindi ko mawari na tunay na mga aswang ang nasa bukid. Mag-ingat ang lahat at parang may nakita ang iba nating kababayan na tikbalang. Malamang isa ito sa mga boss nila. Naway kaawaan tayo ng Diyos. Oh, may tikbalang din. Number 2. Number 1. Okay, number 2, number 1. Siyempre pag malayuan, handgun tayo. Dito may tikbalang ba? Madami siguro sila dito. Pati ko makita. Number 1. 1, 2. Bilis! Shucks, tawag na ng bala natin. One, two, three, four, five, six. Shits. Meron pa ba? Ano yung nagla-loading? Okay, napuno na siya. Ano yun? Stealth ba yun? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Takbo na, takbo na. Yun. Yun. Kaso, nyek. Hey no, dun tayo pupunta. Ay. Takbo. Okay, so tama naman pala. Kailangan natin mag-explore. Naligaw ako kanina eh. Ito kaya? May tao ba dyan? Hello? I can't open it. Ito kaya? So, okay. Ayun, naririnig ako. Can't open it. Shoot ta. Meron? Ah! Tikbalang! May tikbalang. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Kung gusto nyo pa ng more horror games, please hit the subscribe button. Well, anyways guys, ito yung nakikita nyo sa screen. Yan yung playlist ng lahat ng horror games ko. Thank you so much guys. Yan lang muna sa araw ngayon. Kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na horror video.